If you feel stuck, distracted, lazy, or tired of starting over, this message is for you. Most people think discipline means forcing yourself to suffer. But real discipline works differently. It does not punish you. It trains you. And once you understand this, your entire life can change. Let's begin. Discipline is not about motivation. Many people wait for motivation before they take action. That is the first mistake. Motivation changes every day. Some mornings you feel strong. Other days you feel tired, stressed, or distracted. If you only work when you feel motivated, you will never stay consistent. Discipline means taking action even when your emotions say no. Buddhist wisdom teaches that the mind follows habits. Whatever you repeat becomes stronger. If you repeat distraction, your mind becomes weak. If you repeat focus, your mind becomes calm and powerful. Small actions shape your future, not giant bursts of effort. Stop making life harder than it needs to be. Many people fail because they try to change everything overnight. They create huge goals. They build impossible routines. Then they quit after 1 week. Real discipline grows slowly. Start small. If you want to exercise, begin with 10 minutes. If you want to meditate, begin with 5 minutes. If you want to study, start with 1 focus session. Small wins build confidence. Confidence creates momentum. Momentum creates discipline. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. Your brain learns from repetition. Every action teaches your brain something. When you delay work, your brain learns avoidance. When you scroll for hours, your brain learns distraction. When you finish difficult tasks, your brain learns strength. Your mind becomes what you practice daily. That is why discipline matters more than talent. A focused person with average skill will often defeat a talented person with bad habits. Success usually belongs to the person who keeps going. Remove what weakens you. Discipline becomes easier when you remove temptation. If your phone distracts you, place it in another room. If social media steals your focus, limit your time. If negative people drain your energy, spend less time around them. Protect your attention. Your attention controls your future. Most people lose their dreams because they lose control of their focus. Train your mind like a muscle. Your mind works like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. At first, discipline feels uncomfortable. Your brain wants easy pleasure and fast rewards. But every time you choose effort over comfort, you become mentally stronger. 1 difficult task, 1 extra step, 1 more attempt. That is how powerful people are built. Not in 1 day, but daily. Final message. Your life changes when your habits change. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need endless motivation. You do not need to become a different person overnight. You only need to take the next step consistently. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect in action. Thank you for watching BodhiRipple. If this message helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple wisdom that can improve your daily life. And don't stop here. Watch more BodhiRipple videos for practical lessons on peace, focus, discipline, and inner strength.